This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, June 9th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looking fairly typical for mid-June for the rest of the week, and things start to heat up this weekend and next week. Let's check things out. Water vapor satellite view. Trough passing over the far eastern U.S. That brought that surface boundary in here late last night. It stalled out roughly along Interstate 20. And that was the radar at 2:45. The bulk of the showers and storms were south of a line from near Montgomery to Roanoke. Really heavy storms over southeast Alabama, down through counties like Barber and Geneva and Henry. Those are moving on to the east, and they could produce some gusty winds, whole lot of lightning and heavy rain. But this end of the state, the northern half of the state, is relatively quiet as we are in drier air. As expected, North Birmingham, the sky mostly sunny up over the Tennessee Valley today. Temperatures 86 degrees for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden. We'll expect upper 80s the next few days, but looks like we're headed for the 90s this weekend and next week as that old summertime heat begins to creep in here with an upper ridge building. Around the nation, relatively quiet. We note a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of the northeast United States this afternoon. And we've got a slight risk up there, also a slight risk for parts of the Great Lakes and the upper Midwest, but no formal risks here today, tomorrow, or day 3, which is Thursday. Severe weather risks stay well to the north, which is typically what you expect in June. This is the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning. Heavier totals near the Gulf Coast, and even there it's just not going to rain and rain and rain. You'll see a pretty decent amount of sun each day, I think, if you're beach-bound for the rest of the week. But no doubt there will be a few passing showers and storms about. The northern half of the state will see lighter amounts. And the tropics quiet, at least in the Atlantic Basin. No tropical storm formation expected this week. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock local time. Still got a general weakness in the upper air down through here. And again, the front is going to wash out. So tomorrow, we'll say partly to mostly sunny. There could be a shower, but I think they'll be pretty widely spaced. This is the high-res NAM tomorrow at 5 o'clock, showing widely scattered showers and storms. This is Thursday. Same thing, partly sunny. A few spots could see a shower or storm during the day, and very similar weather on Friday. Highs should be in the upper 80s on Thursday and Friday. A surface low passing well to the north. Here's Saturday as the weekend begins, and yep, a 588 ridge beginning to build in from the east. And that means fewer showers and hotter afternoons. We'll expect low 90s with only isolated showers, and the same thing on Sunday. And that's pretty much going to be the deal next week. This is Monday. That looks pretty dry and hot, and this is Tuesday. You can see that old big upper high parked right on top of us. So showers, very isolated. Highs in the low 90s, maybe mid-90s in spots. Check the end of the forecast. This is the end of next week, Friday, June 19th. We've still got the upper high right on top of us. And again, that looks pretty much hot, dry, and uneventful. Temperatures for the next 15 days above average. Like you can see a few spurts of mid-90s showing up on the ensembles there. And this is the outlook June 17th through June 23rd, the Southeast United States, with the expectation of above average temperatures. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.